bargeboards offer a weatherproof finish to the verges of a building. With each bargeboard, one leg extends across the roof sheeting while the other covers the top of the masonry wall or vertical cladding. Bargeboards should be positioned so that their lap is directly below the end lap of the sheeting, with the top of the underlapping bargeboard close to the bottom of the sheet in the course above. The bargeboard should be fixed at all purlin positions using self-drilling screws as per the sheeting, with intermediary fixings between to ensure maximum 750mm centres, using self-sealing fasteners to stitch the fibre cement together. The bargeboards need fixing both on top of the sheets and to the sides of the building using an appropriate fixing method. Bargeboards are available in 12.5 and 15-degree pitches to finish off the verge at the ridge where cranked crown sheets are used. Fix into the purlins using self-drilling screws as per the sheeting and also into the sides of the building.